Hi, and welcome to our Intelligent Process Automation series. In this video, we will be introducing the DocAlpha Intelligent Process Automation Platform and talking about the significance of business information versus data, what document-based means, the difference between products and a platform, and the DocAlpha platform. In upcoming videos, we will take a closer look at the functionality and capabilities of the Artsyl platform and the implementation process. Okay, let's start with a little bit of background. Firstly, we all know that today's commerce and business runs on data. It is at the core of every business function and decision, and it's a requirement to be competitive and achieve financial success. Crucial to being competitive is the speed at which you can collect, organize, understand, and make data available. Because of this, business automation is a top priority. In fact, it is the #1 business investment 5 years running, driving the digital transformation of all business processes. A key concept to understand is that making data available is one thing. Doing so in the context of its use is another. Much of business data originates from documents entering a business from many sources and in various formats, which begs the question, within a data-driven environment, what happens if critical information is not data yet? In any enterprise, there are many business functions with unique documents with embedded data, and in many cases that data is or supports transactional data. In fact, it is estimated 80% of transactional data is document-based. So what does that mean, document-based? Typically, when we think of a document, we think of an original or official paper containing information or proof of something. In today's business environment, documents are not just paper. Documents can be in various formats other than paper. For example, an image file such as a PDF, which is now the most popular document format. A word processing file, such as a Microsoft Word document, the body of an email and attachments, which is quickly becoming the #1 method of exchanging business documents, spreadsheets such as Excel files, even e-forms where you enter data within fields of a document that provides context, and many others. Yes, they are all digital, and they are all considered documents with relevant data associated with a business function. And that data needs to be extracted, verified, and often approved before a business transaction can take place. Hence the term document-based process, not necessarily paper-based. So now we understand how businesses are actually rooted in documents, and there needs to be a means to make it available in business platforms such as ERPs. Therefore, it is important to understand the difference between applying a product approach versus a platform approach to document-based automation. Let's take a closer look at the differences of the two. In simple terms, a software product is a set of tools from software vendors that come in one package. Everything contained within that package is designed for a specific outcome, and when used discretely by various business functions, it can be challenging to add on new tools that didn't originally come in the package. A platform, on the other hand, applies a set of common technologies and capabilities which can be utilized by all business functions, regardless of the document type or the business function, and can be customized for specific requirements by each business function. The best example is something we are all familiar with, a cell phone. When these were first emerging, there were many cell phone products from many vendors. but basically all had one common functional goal: to make a phone call. Now, when smartphones came out, they were designed as platforms. Yes, their primary value and function was to make a phone call, but the platform approach enabled it to do many other things and allow other applications from other vendors to develop around and integrate with it. A platform as the foundation, you can add and subtract new applications and tools without having to purchase multiple products. So true in a business environment wishing to automate document-based processes. When business functions act independently of each other and seek their own solutions, it tends to get cumbersome, and often these products do not meet all the needs required to automate a given process. This results in the slowing down of business. ERPs are waiting for data while each business function is independently processing their documents, utilizing their own, typically manual process. This creates a business environment with a lack of standards, difficult to extend, add functionality, scale, and support, not to mention siloed information coupled with high costs of operations. Now let's take a look at how a platform approach can help. Again, there are unique business needs across all business functions, but now we understand they all have a common goal: providing data about a business function enterprise-wide. So, if we apply a platform approach, it can be utilized by all business functions which can be customized to address specific requirements of each function. A platform approach unifies all business functions such that all document-based processes can utilize common technologies, capabilities, user experiences, and practices. Platforms can easily scale across an enterprise, resulting in the acceleration of accurate data. And that's where Artsyl comes in. Artsyl is a publisher of an intelligent process automation platform. We call it the Doc Alpha Platform, which automates document-based business processes end to end. And when data is entered in business systems, it is timely and accurate. As with the smartphone example, there is an underlying framework of technologies with transformation components, which are the underpinning of all the capabilities of the platform, which can be customized for any document-based process. Also on this platform, process-specific applications can be built, which we will cover in a moment, and third parties can take advantage of all or specific platform capabilities to add functionality and IP to their offerings. Here is an example as to how the many capabilities of the Doc Alpha platform can be leveraged across the enterprise. As an example, for some business functions, the platform can be used in its entirety. However, this workflow has an external process to perform verification and approval along with other functions, and then utilizes Doc Alpha for data entry. This workflow just requires transformation, extraction, and validation, while this workflow simply requires acquiring and transforming documents and providing that data to an external process. So you can see that businesses not only run on data, but they run on documents as well. And the Doc Alpha platform unifies all business functions, enabling them to leverage the platform, providing rapid process development with commonality, efficiencies, and cost management, no matter what the document type. Let's talk about process-specific applications from Artsyl based on the Doc Alpha platform. Artsyl offers pre-configured workflows with document and process intelligence for core financial business functions. We call them our action solutions. We go into great detail about these in other videos. These action solutions are pre-packaged with all the intelligence and components for a rapid deployment and ROI. We did this because as businesses are looking to accelerate order-to-cash revenue while taking costs out, these action solutions specifically addresses the financial functions of a business, processing orders, remittances, invoices, and now with Artsyl Pay, payments automation, which is also covered in another video. So we hope you can see how you can transform a business environment like this into a unified business environment like this, delivering the benefits to automate all document-based business processes, accelerating the availability of accurate and verified data with the DocAlpha Intelligent Process Automation Platform from Artsyl, which enables you to spend more time working on your business and less time in it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Next up is an overview of the capabilities and functionality of the DocAlpha platform. Also, if you would like more information or would like to schedule a personal in-depth discussion and demo, reach out to us at artsyltech.com. Thank you.